Hey everyone, Crystal here from Boto, and I'm going to show you how to use the new Discord Pro block. This demo is specifically for people who've already used the normal Discord block and want to upgrade to using the Discord Pro block. So in front of me, you'll see I have a gas tracker block and a Discord Pro block. For the Discord Pro block, it's pretty similar to the existing Discord block, but a few key differences. It allows you to type in a bot name. It allows you to add a custom profile picture, and it allows you to remove the footer. So let's see it in action. I'm going to start with average gas is now, the message, and then in terms of authorizing Boto to use this block, you do need to upgrade the permissions to allow webhooks. So let me show you how we do that. So I move over to Discord and go to the channel where I want to post. And you can either do this at the server level or at the channel level, but I'm going to do it in the channel level for this demo. So go to permissions, choose Boto, and allow it to manage webhooks, save changes. So now we have the right permissions. We go back to the Boto, choose the right channel from the list. Gas tracker to Discord Pro, save, turn it on, and then let's go back to Discord. There it is. All right. Simple as that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for checking this out, and I hope you enjoy using this Pro block.